Hi everyone, welcome to a little bit of behind the scenes. Right, I'm preparing for my office hacks haul, but I need to prepare a whiteboard photo frame. It should be really simple, so I've got the whiteboard, but it's made of like aluminum, and this is the frame, so easy peasy, right? One edge. Now, that's beautifully lined up, isn't it? So let's do that. Yeah, let's just keep going. But I might use these actually. Just so, right, and I really hope it fits. It should be. Look at that! Oh, cool. Gloves off. Happy days. Happy days. Now, the only thing is this frame is probably broke because all those little bits have come off. So, nothing a little bit of tape can't handle, eh? Let's do that, and then yeah, I can write on it. Not in Sharpie though, I'll cry. Oh, I'm rubbish at changing dispensers. Like, notoriously bad. I normally break them. Huh. I did work alright. I did work alright. Sure, we've got better tapes in there, but it might do for now. Oh, I don't know what I was thinking when I put that bit down. It's all a bit. Oh, you know what? Secure. There we go. Shall I? You know what? Great idea. I'm going to write my Patreon on here. I'm really pleased we did this project together. I'm not like really an artist, guys. Don't know why you get into my but yeah, it's also really quite hard to write on this board. On the wall. Behind the scenes with me. Ta-da! Beautiful. Now to hang it on the wall. See you soon for some more behind the scenes action. Remember, only you guys know. I might even write for your eyes only on here. Let's do that. That'd be a nice little quirk for you. Then you guys will always. Ooh!